This is a PlayStation 2 and the DVD drive space seems to be broken. When I turned it on, it had a knocking sound as if the DVD carriage was trying to get to the end, however it didn't sense that it was actually at the end, so it just kept on knocking. I suspect it's this cable, so a new one should hopefully fix it. Stop peeling this off. It's pretty nerve-wracking. Alright, I think it's good. Alright, so I've managed to get that piece in there. It was quite difficult. I think this ribbon is slightly larger than the original, or it's, I guess, because of my placement, but either way, I've got it in there. Now I need to install the laser. Alright, so I've added those plastic white spacers. Now I've just got to put this back in there, get the rails too. I just need to screw these bits into here, which will hopefully keep this from this rail in place. Now to reattach this piece which connects the motor to the laser assembly. Now, technically, everything should be put back together. Just the front top, and we are ready for testing. So this is just a voiceover on what happened afterwards. So as you can see by the video, it is booting. It did have some trouble reading discs when I first put it in, but I think that was just due to it not being used for a long time. If you were to do this fix again, I would recommend for you to put some grease on the motor assembly